put on your goggles.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Coming to you from Kscope 2016 in Chicago, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, here to give you a good soaking in technical insight from a member of the Oracle community.
My name is Peter Katrubis. I'm Vice President of Operations for ERP Analysts, and I'm also Director of our BI Business Intelligence and Big Data practice.
All right, Peter, your 2 minutes starts right now.
My tip for customers out there who are doing business intelligence data warehousing projects and they're approaching some new technology or new implementation and working with your system integrator. I think one of the most overlooked things is doing a true assessment internally of the resources you have to apply towards a subject area and a project, and then looking at that in comparison to what the overall effort's going to require in terms of manpower and the planning. And then you should heavily consider having on a individual assigned full-time to the project, which works hand-in-hand with your system integrator in order to get that true knowledge transfer. Often we're working with customers and knowledge transfer comes up and it becomes this ambiguous animal because the customer hasn't considered who's going to be receiving that information. We do a lot of concentrated effort in terms of the process of how we document the steps and the procedures that we go through. But if there's somebody not there during the implementation or during the project for what we're trying to accomplish to absorb the actual actions as they're happening, sometimes the documentation is inadequate and the customer's less satisfied with the so-called knowledge transfer and the execution of that. So I think it's important and for customers, to do their part in terms of working with their system integrator, having the right personnel on site to work hand in hand with the actual implementation team to gather that information, and then be the subject owner once the system integrator rolls off after go live.
Was that a good tip for you?
Oh, you've made me so happy.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.